The video is so much clearer than the old video. Want to know why? It is not because of me being dumb, like usual. It's actually I'm not using Tabby. Well, my Tabby. Because I got a new one for Christmas and it's just been the greatest. I was really surprised when my parents gave me this because I already have Tabby, but Tabby has cracks on her. And because of my friend's dog, you can see the cracks. And now it's so much clearer. Let me see. Well, Tabby still means a lot to me because she has a lot of photos that I love. But, now that I have this thing, this is great. This is awesome. Now you guys can actually see, like, everything that I got going on. So, guys, this is the most, sorry, it's a hair. This is the most exciting. So, this is epic. Like, epic. And now I could be, like, doing stuff at the same time. I'm on Snapchat. I like Snapchat. It's fun. But, now that I actually can show you guys what I'm doing, NyQuil. There's new Snapchat filters. One's called NyQuil. Wow. Well, I just really wanted to tell you guys what I got for Christmas. Oh, and by the way, I got this super cute, super soft dog blanket for Christmas. It's so cute. Look at the difference. Oh, sorry. Can you guys see it? There. It's like so pixelated and such, but this is clear. I mean, like, clear. But the lighting was really good on Tabby. And I might still record videos on Tabby. I was really excited because this is black. I'm actually going to record a video and show you guys what it looks like. It's so smooth. Okay, so I'm going to take a photo on Snapchat and show you what NyQuil is. Oh. Never mind, this is odd. Okay, I'm gonna be a cute little deer. Sorry, let me pose for the camera. And I can actually pause. Like, and flip it around during the movie. Okay, I just took the picture and it's freaking butt ugly. But I haven't got Snapchat. Don't remember my username, but here's the ugly reindeer picture that I just took. Wow. Look at all of these new filters. I'm going to be testing this out a lot. Hold on. Weird. Oh my gosh, guys. What the heck kind of Snapchat filter is that? This is odd. I love this one. Sorry, I love it. I'll be right back.
Hey yo, YouTubes, where they be? Hey yo, YouTubes, where they be?
And they've also got the pup filter, as usual. I don't have any friends, and it says try with a friend. I'm like, boy. Well, oh my god. Oh, and they also have the flower crown. Gosh darn it. Well, I'm just excited and happy that I got Christmas presents, and they're so soft. Well, and now I have a tablet. Oh, and I also got a sewing machine for Christmas. It was one of those mini new ones and stuff. And I also got this cool pole. By the way, I built a gigantic box fort with my cousin Lily. Check out her channel, Lily Tree. Look up Lily Tree with a funky E is the first E. I don't know how to explain it, but I got this blanket, a pillow, and a tablet, and a bike. Oh, and I don't know what they're called. But also, the box fort was huge, and I crawled inside of it, and I broke it because we were kicking it, and I kicked it from the inside, and it collapsed on me. It was pretty fun. And then I threw it and started kicking it, and Lily pretended like it was a punching box. Pretty cool. Yep. So thank you guys so much for watching. I just wanted to tell you this. And look at this. Look at this. Oh, no. But look at this. Look at this. There's also a bunch of pictures on it. They're winter.